Hello and welcome subscribers, thank you very much for joining me on this video. We're going to be looking at some technical analysis. I thought it's been a while since I did one of these. Let's take a look through and we'll see how silver is tracking, what my thoughts are in regards to the silver price. I'm not giving anyone any form of financial advice, we're just having a look at some charts. It's up to yourself to determine how you foresee the charts and how you foresee the silver price. So getting started, this is just the overview. This is over the last year. So we can see here the previous high within the last year was $17.21, and then there was quite a big sell-off, and then there was a massive downtrend over here, and it bottomed out at about around $14. We could see a lot of action just below $14, and then it sort of came back. So I foresee the bottom being that. If you think of the last year, that's where I see the price bottoming out, and then it'll at least my perception is that once it goes off the bottom, gain support level, and then it'll slowly start to come back up. Let's take a closer look here. So this is the downtrend I've put in place here. This is since 28th of March, so it's about a month ago. We can see here, even if we were to go further back, there we go, that was the high. Now this is the key resistance figure here was $16.20, so hence why I've put that little line there. Because every time there was a lot of price action here, which then was a sell-off. So if you have a look here, you've got a wick at the top and a wick at the bottom. What that means is the price went up as high as let's say 16.18, 16.19, and it went down as low as 15.99. So that's a key indicator that there was a lot of people buying and a lot of people selling at that point, and then it ended up towards the bottom end in the red, and then we had this sell-off here, and then a couple of people buying back in, and so on. And then we had another attempt at breaking through. It looks like we just did, but again there was a lot of sell-off action. So again, we ended up, even though we ended up in the green, we ended up on the bottom end of the scale. And then there was a sell-off, big sell-off again here, and then there was a massive drop here. So looking at it again, now this is within the last week, big downtrend. And then we've got, this is currently today, 21st of May. So we got yesterday we were in the green, and it looks like the buyers and sellers are fighting it off for today. So my key levels of support would have been here at about 1460. We broke through that now. If you look at where the current price is, there's no real support level here. There's a little bit here, but it looks it's not very strong. That would, to me, would be the next main support level is 1413, and you can see here as well. And then there's a low there at 1391. So that's probably going to be our main support level, is around here, just around 1412, and then we'll slowly start to see it sort of go back up again. But obviously there could be some main factors to getting a higher price for silver currently, but the bears are definitely in charge here. But looking at the scale here, if we change to let's change to monthly. These are the weekly figures. Let's bring that up and see what we got. So there we go. There's some. Each of these indicates a week. So pretty much since the 4th of March, there's just been a massive decline. So even if we do that from a weekly perspective, and then we're going to wait for support level here before we start to go back up again. And then we can track further away there. And that goes as far back as August 16. So we're not interested in going. This is our main area here that we're keyed on. So just a quick zoom in there. So hence my support level here. I think that is going to be the main level of support. We broke through that major support level. There's no support currently, or very little support in this area here. So I suspect we'll probably see a pull down to around 1420, 1415. And then there'll probably be some buyers then buying back in the market, but there seems to be a lot of support at around the $14 mark. I can't see it going really down further than that. Yeah, so keep your eye on the price there. Thanks very much for watching, everybody. I hope that might give you some insight in regards to the silver price. Just on another note here, for my European viewers, Coininvest, they've got a 1 ounce Kangaroo silver coin here, 2019. They're giving it for $15.46. It's a 3-day sale, expires on the 24th. There's the silver price today is €12.99. It's down 2 cents. It's about 247 over spot, which I think is really good. You don't find you sort of tend to find them about the sort of €3 mark, so you're getting about 50 odd cents off. Definitely worth a look if you're thinking of just getting some extra coins for the stack. Check it out. Thanks very much for watching. Hit the subscribe button there in the middle if you enjoy the content, and please watch my other videos. Again, I'm not a financial advisor of sorts. We just had a look at the charts. It's up to yourself to determine what you do with your own money. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.